Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to ask you, what is my computer? I want to take a minute to explain to you the basic folder steps to take you through Windows XP. Just sort of take you through them so that you are at least familiar with them, so you know where your programs and documents are stored. On my desktop, I have my computer. I had to put it there manually, but most of you won't have to. If you do have to add this icon, go back to one of the earlier videos in Chapter 1. My computer is the quickest way to access your documents, the hardware stored, or any optical media attached to the computer. So if you double click on this icon, it opens up this little window which is pretty much self-explanatory. They've done a really good job by categorizing the window. As you can see, we have a few folders, and beneath that we have some hard drives. They can be separate hard drives or partitions on one single hard drive. Below that are your removable hard drives and floppies and burners. That's about it, but it offers a quick way to access the heart of the data stored in the computer, wherever it is stored. When you install Windows XP, it automatically creates a Documents and Settings folder, a Program Files folder, a Temp directory, and a Windows directory. Let me explain to you what they are. I am now going to go to my local disk. You can see I have some folders here: Documents and Settings, Program Files, Windows directory, and a Temp directory. Documents and Settings folder is very important. This is where a lot of important data is kept. It contains the folders of all users and the administrator and us. In the All Users folder, there's the folder which represents the data of every user, whereas the others contain personal information of the respective user. Most of them have the same folder names, such as favorites and cookies, etc., but they can contain different types of data. We're now going to the initial window of my computer. That was a very brief introduction to my computer, but we will discuss it in much detail later on. I'll catch you now for the next lesson.